paper presentation is a little different from the previous ones. I am Dr. Narayana, Director working for Indian Institute of History of Medicine. This is working under Central Council for Research in Ayurveda and Siddha, which is located at Hyderabad. So my institute, we have developed one research portal. This is a research database on Indian systems of medicine and on other traditional medicines related sciences. So why we have developed this research portal? So we have just now our Madam Medha Durandar told Ayurveda is a big domain and is a very vast documentation and a very vast literature we are having. But this literature and the research is not in an organized way. So many universities and institutions carrying out so many projects and research, but it is some or other way, it is, even though it is a research project, but it is some or other way, it is in a scattered form. So because of this scattered form, we started gathering the research data and pulling it one place, and we developed a research portal. So online research database is the objective is to make available the research data at a glance to scientific community, academicians, industries, policymakers and others. The outcome of this project would help in apprising the research for further planning, to avoid repetition, to find out the collaboration. Exploration of new research areas, research abstracts are made accessible online to the public and research and students and universities. So this is the interdisciplinary knowledge sharing, Ayurveda, Siddha, traditional medicine, related sciences. Related sciences means it may be the chemistry or botany or agriculture, agricultural science or chemistry or home science or food technology or any other related sciences. So the contributors and beneficiaries and end users, persons involved in intra and interdisciplinary research, Ayurveda, Siddha and other traditional systems of medicine. So persons engaged in the fields of plant origin, mineral, metal, animal origin and folklore also. The initiatives, the institute has taken an initiative. The communications are made to the academicians and research institutions of Ayurveda and Siddha, medical college, universities and pharmaceutical industries, agricultural universities, research scholars to provide the research abstracts and prescribed format. We have interacted throughout India and we collected some of the data and we uploaded to the web portal also. So the web-based research database uploading the full papers of the articles of CCRS journals, mainly Journal of Research in Ayurveda and Siddha, Journal of Indian Medical Heritage, Journal of Drug Research in Ayurveda and Siddha. In the beginning, in the first instance, we have initiated the uploading the data of the journals available online, and the journals, the editors of the journals who have given the permission to us to upload the data to the web portal. In the second phase, we are also trying to get the data from various sources from the universities and colleges of Indian medicine and allopathy also. So after preparing of this data of about 1500 abstracts we uploaded to the web portal. Recently the Department of Ayush has initiated a initiative and called a meeting, and during that meeting I have presented this research portal in which the Deputy Director General of the National Informatics Center in New Delhi and other senior experts, those who are working in the field, were also presented, and they are all appreciated the initiatives of the CCRS, and the Department of Ayush, Government of India is also decided to widen this area, widen the scope of this project, and they have suggested to develop a online Ayush research portal. Earlier we have developed a research portal of only Ayurveda, but now the department has widened its scope and suggested to upload the data of all the Ayush systems, Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy, yoga and naturopathy systems also we are going to upload to the web portal, and anybody can easily access the data across the world. So this online Ayush research portal, these are unique features of this online research portal is research data of all Ayush systems can be uploaded, accessed separately, and published data of the PG and PhD students can be viewed separately, and the data entry and scrutiny and approval system also we have created. The data can be accessed with different advanced search modules. Two main applications of this Ayush portal: uploading the research data by the selected institutions, search of the research data by any user. So uploading the research data by the selected institutions, the unique login ID and password will be provided to the following 4 levels of research councils and institutions of Department of Ayush, especially in the first phase Government of India and other institutions and colleges under government of different state governments. Thank you very much.